What happens when Ferrari decides that 1,000 horsepower just isn't enough? You get the all-new Ferrari 849 Testarossa, a monster so powerful it makes the SF90 look like yesterday's news. Under the hood, a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 strapped to not one, not two, but three electric motors. That's right, over 1,036 horses, blasting you from 0 to 60 in a mind-bending 2.2 seconds. Blink, and you've already hit 124 miles per hour. And this isn't just raw speed. Ferrari's engineers went absolutely berserk. Bigger turbos, titanium fasteners, race-bred cooling, and enough electronic wizardry to make NASA jealous. Side slip control 9.0, Ferrari integrated vehicle estimator, ABS Evo. This car doesn't just drive, it predicts the future. The design? Pure attitude. A twin-tail rear straight out of a sci-fi movie, aero channels carved like shark gills, and downforce that pins you to the asphalt. Love it or hate it, you cannot ignore it. And yes, you can creep around the city in pure electric mode, but come on, this thing wasn't built for grocery runs. It was built to obliterate lap times, dominate Fiorano, and burn its name into supercar history. The SF90 was a game changer, but the 849 Testarossa, this is Ferrari swinging for the throne. So I gotta ask, is this the new king of hybrid supercars? Or is Ferrari just chasing its own shadow?